So does Instagram notify you when you screenshot a story? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can figure out if Instagram notifies you or not if you viewed a person's story. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say you basically went ahead and then opened up Instagram, and there are a lot of stories over here. And when you open a certain story, you might be curious that if you basically go ahead and then take a screenshot here like this, will it notify the other person that you've taken a screenshot of the story? So let me just go over here. Bottom line is that no, it's completely safe to take a screenshot of Instagram stories because it is not going to notify the other person. Unlike if you send it as something in disappearing messages, let's say if you go to vanish mode here, maybe you turn on something, then in that case it is going to notify them. But otherwise, if it's in the normal stories tab, it's completely safe, so you don't have to do anything. So hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.